Welcome to my channel. In this video, we talk about organic chemistry, multiple choice question from the chapter alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Question 1 is which compound shows maximum hydrogen bonding? Here are the four compounds are given in options A, B, C, and D. The true answer to this question is option D, C2H5OH, because here in this option ethyl alcohol is present and we know that ethyl alcohols form hydrogen bonding with water. And now question 2 is which compound shows maximum hydrogen bonding with water? Here is again four options are given. Option A is methanol, option B is ethanol, option C is dimethyl ether, and option D is phenol. The true answer to this question is option B, that is C2H5OH, ethanol. And now question 3 is which compound is more soluble in water? Here again four options are given. Option A is C2H5OH, and option B is C6H5OH, which is phenol, and option D is CH3C double bond O CH3, which is acetone, and option D is N-hexanol. The true answer to this question is option A, C2H5OH, which is alcohol, and we know that alcohol form hydrogen bonding with water molecules. And now question 4 is which compound shows maximum repulsion with water? Here are four options are given. Option A is phenol, option A is benzene, option B is ethyl alcohol, option D is propanol, and option D is dimethyl ether. The true answer to this question is option A, benzene. And now question 5 is ethanol can be converted to ethanoic acid by. Here are the four options given. Option A is hydrogenation, option B hydration, option C oxidation, and option D fermentation. The true answer to this question is option C, that is oxidation. And now question 6 is which enzyme is not involved in fermentation of starch? Here are the four options given. Option A is diastase, option B is zymase, option C is urease, and option D is invertase. The true answer to this question is option C, urease. And now question 7 is which compound is called universal solvent? Here are the four options given. Option A is water, option B is methanol, option C is ethanol, and option D is dimethyl ether. The true answer to this question is option A, water. And now question 8 is methyl alcohol is not used as. Here are the four options given. Option A is solvent, option B anti-freezing agent, option D substituent for petrol, and option D denaturing of ethyl alcohol. The true answer to this question is option C, substituent for petrol. And question 9 is rectified spirit can contains methyl alcohol about. Option A is 80%, option B 85%, option C 90%, or option D is 95%. The true answer to this question is option D, 95%. And now question 10 is according to Lewis concepts, ether behaves as. Option A is acid, option B base, option C acid as well as base, and option D is none of them. The true answer to this question is option B, base. And now question 11 is dash compound is alcohol in the following. Here are the four options given. Option A is C2H5OH, option B is CH3OCI3, option C is CH3COOH, and option D is CH3CHO. You can see here the option A is ethanol, which is an alcohol, and option B is dimethyl ether, and option C is acetic acid, and option D is acetaldehyde. So the true answer to this question is option A, that is ethanol, which is the true answer. And question 12 is alcohols obtained by fermentation process is only up to. Here are the percentages given in option A 10%, option B 12%, option C 20%, and option D 95%. The true answer to this question is option B 12%. And now question 13 is in tertiary butyl alcohol the tertiary carbon is bounded to. Here are the four options given. Option A is 3 hydrogen atoms, option B 2 hydrogen atom, option C 1 hydrogen atom, and option D is no hydrogen atom. The true answer to this question is option D, no hydrogen atom. And now question 14 is carbolic acid is. Option A is phenol, option B methanol, option C carbonic acid, and option D is chloroform. The true answer to this question is option A, phenol. And now question 15 is which of the following is known as wood spirit? Here option A is methanol, option B is methanol, and option C methanoic acid, and option D is ethanol. The true answer to this question is option B, methanol. And now question 16 is Williamson's synthesis is used to prepare. Here the four options are given. Option A is alcohols, option B aldehydes, option C esters, and option D ethers. The true answer to this question is option D, ethers. And now question 17 is phenol formaldehyde resin is called. Option A is bakelite, option B teflon, option C orlon, and option D terylene. The true answer to this question is option A, bakelite.